The countdown to summer is officially on. The end of the school year brings field days and some outdoor water fun. Hi, I'm Coach Megan from Front Range PE. Today I'm sharing 10 refreshing outdoor games, including some favorite water activities, to help you survive the end of the school year with high engagement and low stress. Drip, Drip, Drench is played just like Duck, Duck, Goose, but way more fun and a lot wetter. Have your students sit in a big circle on the grass or blacktop. One player picks up a soaking wet sponge and walks around the outside of the circle. As they go, they gently drip a little water on each player's head and say, "Drip" instead of "duck." When they choose their victim, they shout, "Drench," and squeeze the sponge right over that player's head. The drenched player will then chase the sponge player around the circle trying to make a tag. Divide your group into 2 teams and line them up behind a starting line. On go, the first player grabs a wet sponge from the kiddie pool, runs down to the empty team bucket, and squeezes every drop in. They race back as fast as they can and high-five the next player in line to tag them in. This continues until one team fills their bucket all the way to overflow. First team to make their bucket overflow wins. To play water balloon hoop toss, you only need 3 players, 1 hula hoop, and 1 water balloon. On go, players take turns throwing the water balloon through the hula hoop to their partner. Once everyone makes it through, each player takes 1 step back to make it more challenging. Keep stepping back after every successful round until someone misses and the balloon busts. Last one standing wins. The more players in your relay line, the better when playing over and underwater relay. On go, the first person will lift the wet sponge above their head for the person behind them to grab. The next person will then hike the sponge between their legs to the person behind them. This pattern will continue until you reach the end. Soak the sponge again and repeat. The first group to complete 5 round trips wins. Always check for balloon allergies when playing Splash Potato. Splash Potato is played just like Hot Potato. When the music starts, the players pass the balloon around the circle. Whoever has the balloon when the music stops, pops it on their own head. The following items are needed to play Tic Tac Splash. The players will take turns throwing their ball into the water buckets. The first team with a tic-tac-toe wins. Set up Frisbee head Fred just like Sponge Run Relay. 2 teams, a kiddie pool, and Frisbees. On go, the first player will fill up an upside-down Frisbee with water and place it on their head. The players will walk down and drop their Frisbees into the bucket. The first team to overfill their bucket wins.
All right, team, dip your noodles, trap the water, and run. Now squeeze and dump it in the bucket. Great job!
The goal of Ramen Noodles is the same as the other 2 kiddie pool games. The first team to fill their bucket wins. Students will fill their ramen pool noodles at the start. They will race down and drop all the water they can into their bucket, trying to overfill. Mosquito Tag is played in a large open area. A pool noodle tag stick and a few spray water bottles are all you need. When a player gets tagged, they will get sprayed from head to toe before getting to re-enter the game. Rock, paper, scissors, squirt is a head-to-head matchup full of non-stop fun, laughter, and wetness. Players square off and play best 2 out of 3 in rock, paper, scissors. The winner grabs the squirt bottle and gives the loser 3 big blasts. Hey everyone, our Front Range P Discord channel is launching super soon and it's going to be completely free all summer long. If you want a personal invite, just drop your Discord username in the comments below or email it to us. For more physical education games just like this, be sure to subscribe to Front Range Physical Education.